Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super productive getting my life together reset vlog. I'm gonna be resetting and prepping for the new year. Seriously, my apartment is so messy right now and I feel so disorganized. I just need to get organized and clean my apartment. I feel like it's been a while since I've done a good deep clean of my apartment, and I also really want to declutter and organize, really just get my life together before the holidays, before the new year. I feel like I just can't enjoy Christmas and the holiday season when my apartment is such a chaotic mess. I feel like this is the perfect time to just clean and get organized. It's definitely gonna take a couple days to just kind of get everything together. I feel like there's gonna be 3 to 4 different parts of this video. The first part is cleaning. That's like the main thing, honestly. The second step is organizing and decluttering. Third step is gluing up. I'm not including this. I always like to get all my appointments taken care of at the end of the year. I'm not really including this in the video because I didn't film it and I already kind of did this. Eye appointment, order new contacts, dentist appointment. I just feel like somehow it always falls at the end of the year, and it is kind of a good thing to get all that stuff taken care of. The last step is just planning and getting mentally organized. I really want to set up a Notion, and I went and got coffee with my friend Kylie, and she was showing me hers, and it just really motivated me to finally set one up. That is kind of like what I have planned for this end of year reset. Hopefully this motivates and inspires you if you're needing to do the same. It's always a good thing to just kind of go into the new year feeling fresh, like you have your life together. My main thing really is just cleaning. I feel like I'm just gonna feel like a whole new person when my apartment is clean. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give this a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below something you like to do before the new year begins, even just like a goal you have for 2025. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into the reset. Like I said, cleaning is gonna be the first step of this video. Just really picking up my apartment, getting it all clean and tidy. Really just like deep cleaning as well. I really want to dust all the surfaces down, vacuum, wipe the floors. I literally just want it looking so clean in here. I actually just washed my sheets the other day. If you guys watched my ultimate holiday vlog, I just got brand new Christmas sheets, so I just washed those so we can actually skip the step of washing the sheets, washing all the bedding. Let's just get started with the cleaning. I'm done cleaning. My apartment is feeling so clean, so fresh. I just feel like a weight lifted when my apartment is clean. I'm just so much more relaxed and organized and motivated in a clean space. I just love a clean space, lighting some candles. It smells good. It feels clean. It feels fresh. Speaking of feeling clean and fresh and things smelling good, I want to talk about my favorite perfumes from Dossier. I feel like with the new year, you gotta have a good signature scent. Dossier is perfect for that. They have amazing fragrances. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, so thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring. I am obsessed with their fragrances. I literally just can't get enough of them. I talked about these in my Christmas wish list video. These two are the ones I've been wearing the most, the Ambery Saffron and the Ambery Vanilla. I'm wearing it right now. It's like the perfect, cozy, clean girl scent. If you aren't familiar with Dossier, they make luxury fragrances accessible. They're a lot more affordable than luxury fragrances, and they're inspired by luxury fragrances, so they smell very, very similar, if not the same. They're also cruelty-free and non-toxic. Each scent is crafted by the best ingredients, and they're sourced from France, which is the fragrance capital of the world. They have high-quality ingredients and values without the markup, so everybody can indulge in a little luxury every day. Let me show you the three that I picked out. The first one is the one that I'm wearing right now, which is the Ambery Vanilla. This has been my favorite recently. It's like a very classic kind of vanilla scent. It's like very soft and sweet, kind of like cozy and warm. I feel like vanilla is good all year round, but I really like it in the winter time. This is inspired by YSL's Black Opium, which retails for $160, and Dossier's is $49. Quite a big price difference there. This one literally smells so good, and it lasts so long throughout the day, which I really love. The next one is Ambery Saffron. I don't have any fragrances like this. This is inspired by the luxury fragrance Baccarat Rouge, which is a very popular luxury fragrance. A lot of celebrities wear it. I've seen it all over my social media. It's really, really popular. That one retails for $465 compared to this Dossier one, which is $49. It's just such a very unique scent in my opinion. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like very cozy. The last one I picked up is Woody Sandalwood. This one definitely has a more masculine smell in my opinion, but it is technically unisex. Kind of like musky, kind of spicy, also very fresh and clean at the same time. This is inspired by Le Labo Santel 33, which is another very, very popular fragrance. Niall Horan from One Direction actually wears it, and he says he gets a lot of compliments. That one retails for $322 versus this one from Dossier, which is $79. They all smell so good. I'm seriously obsessed with Dossier. I can't wait to try more of their fragrances. I'm gonna have a link below at the very top of my description, so you can shop Dossier and check out their fragrances. If you do, let me know which one you pick up. These would make such great gifts as well. I know my sister would really, really love one of these, or my dad. My grandpa is obsessed with cologne, so he would really, really love one of these. They just smell so good. Now I'm just gonna do a little decluttering. I really want to go through my makeup and skincare. All my everyday products are in my bathroom. I just keep like adding more products, so I feel like they're just really full and cluttered. I kind of want to start there and just declutter them so it's only the products that I use every day. The next thing I want to do is my car. Mostly just kind of like vacuuming it out, wiping it down. I always feel like I have my life together when my car is clean, and right now it is just so messy. Apartment is clean, car is clean, makeup is organized. Totally forgot I need to wash my makeup brushes. I hate when my makeup brushes are just like, I feel like I'm just applying old makeup on my skin. I try to do this like every week. The last cleaning related thing that I want to do is a digital declutter. Just got a notification that my iCloud storage is full. Now I'm kind of forced to do this. I just need to clean out my notes app. I use this like every single day to type like a little to-do list. Honestly, I feel like I type multiple lists every single day. I have like a million notes in my notes app. That's like a good percentage of my iCloud storage. So I definitely need to go in there and delete old notes, even like old contacts. I just saw a thing on Pinterest and it was like a digital declutter checklist. My photos is definitely like the main thing because that's taking up the majority of my storage. Definitely need to go through and just delete a whole bunch of stuff. Also, my laptop is full on storage, so I need to delete stuff off of there. Just like airdrop stuff from my phone to like edit, and I never go back and delete it. So digital declutter is definitely necessary. I never ever do this. Honestly, this is probably gonna take a good amount of time. Last part of the glow up is my nails. I'm about to go get my nails done. Definitely gonna do something Christmassy. I think I'm gonna do some red French tips with chrome. I think that'd be super cute, very Christmassy. It's giving candy cane, it's giving peppermint, it's giving Christmas. I think these are like super cute holiday nails if you're looking for some inspo. Love the feeling of fresh, cute nails, just like switching out the color. Just makes me feel like I have my life together. How cute are my nails? I'm literally obsessed. I went with a bright cherry red French with chrome. They're so cute and Christmassy. The last thing I want to do to reset for the end of the year is to get organized mentally and do some planning. The main thing I want to do is to set up a Notion account. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I feel like the end of the year is the perfect time to get it all set up for the new year. I've just been wanting to do this for so long. It just seems very overwhelming. Like I just don't know where to start with it. I think it's really effective. I love planning and organizing. I have like a digital calendar that really helps keep me organized. I also use my notes app a lot to write like little to-do lists, kind of plan out content. And then I also have multiple Excel spreadsheets to kind of keep track of income, sponsorships, and deadlines. I feel like it can get a little bit confusing having everything all in different places. I think having it all in Notion would probably be nice. And I think there's just better tools for keeping everything organized. That is like my goal for today mostly, is just to get my Notion account set up. I know it's probably gonna take a little bit of time, so I might not completely get it set up today. I've been kind of looking at some TikToks and YouTube videos over the last couple days to kind of get some ideas. I have an old iMac that I like never use because it's like super slow. It's like really glitchy. I think it will be helpful with this just to see everything bigger. I'm gonna like try to use it. later. I took a couple hours trying to figure out Notion and get it set up. I think it's gonna take a little bit longer just to like figure it out. I feel like I'm relatively tech savvy, but it's kind of a little bit hard to figure out. Like the things I'm trying to do, I just can't get it to do. And so then I have to like look up how to do every single thing that I'm trying to do. And it's like getting a little bit frustrating. I feel like it's just really time consuming getting the hang of it. For example, on the homepage, I'm just trying to make like a little to-do list and I just can't figure out how to make a little to-do list. And then I look it up and it's like how to make a new page to-do list. Not really what I'm wanting. Once you kind of start figuring it out, it gets a little bit easier. I feel like I am getting somewhere. I made like a little list of everything that I want it to have. I have an Excel spreadsheet with all my brand partnerships, the deadline, what they're paying me, if they paid me yet, like an Excel spreadsheet with all of that. So I wanted to create a page with that, but I also wanted to create a content planning page. So not necessarily for brand deals, just like what YouTube videos I'm planning, what Instagram posts I'm planning, what TikToks I'm planning. Those are gonna kind of look similar, but I wanted to create both of those. And then I wanted some kind of like, I don't really know how to do this, so I haven't made that one yet, but kind of like a video planner, but I want it to be kind of like a journal type thing because it's gonna have a lot of different entries, I guess. I don't want it to be creating a whole new page every single time I type in it. Somewhere where I can kind of just type out creative ideas for videos and kind of like brainstorming and outlines for videos. Instead of doing all of that in my notes app, I can just kind of do it on Notion. Somewhere where I can just kind of store all of my outlines and creative ideas for videos. And then I also wanted to do more like personal ones as well. So like goals, budgeting, kind of have on the front page daily planning, weekly planning, monthly planning. I might want to make some more pages for that. An income tracker with taxes and everything. It's really important to like track your income, what you're putting back for taxes. That's pretty much what I wrote down. Hannah Lee's here on YouTube. I watched her Notion video and hers was like exactly what I had in mind of what I wanted mine to include. I didn't want it to look like a Pinterest board. I wanted it to look more like when I'm going on my calendar or my notes app or an Excel spreadsheet. I wanted it to kind of just be more like that. I wanted it to look aesthetic, but I didn't want it to look like a Pinterest board with like tons of pictures and stuff like that on it. Hers was like exactly what I had in mind, especially with like the weekly plan, the daily plan, projects. She had brand deals that she was currently working on. So I kind of just modeled it after hers because hers was like exactly what I had in mind. I feel like it has a long way to go. It's probably gonna take me a little bit of time to get it exactly how I want it. I just wanted to include that in the video because I feel like a lot of my planning, once I get it set up, I feel like a lot of my planning will probably be on Notion. If you're looking for a way to get organized for the new year, I feel like Notion is probably perfect. We'll see. I haven't actually used it yet. Definitely stay tuned because I'm gonna do another kind of like getting ready for the new year video. And then in that video, I'm gonna make some goals, make my vision board, and just do a bunch of other New Year's goals and planning and stuff. Hopefully I'll have my Notion done by then so I can show you guys. That is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below something you like to do to get ready for the new year. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Definitely make sure to check out their perfume. It smells so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Christmas, an amazing New Year. I think I'm posting this right before Christmas, so I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.